Hello and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. It's Tuesday morning and we need to come up with a plan on our trading day. I do believe there's lots of opportunity out there. It's a start of earnings season as well. Plenty of opportunities to make some money. Making a plan, you must be and fill all roles. You need to think about the big money, the little money. You need to be a functional or a fundamental analysis, portfolio analysis. You need to look at the big picture. You need to play all these roles. You don't have to be good at any of it. But this guy is not your financial analyst or advisor. You are. Do your own due diligence and prepare for the day, just like I am. Yesterday, the NASDAQ reached a new high. The S&P 500 didn't do so bad either, especially in the afternoon. And the Dow was flipping and flopping, a little down. Tech did well. Google, Facebook soared. And so did NVIDIA. Energy didn't so good yesterday, but technology did. By the way, this is FinViz, and it's a free tool. A lot of people use it. Facebook wins its case, caused it to stock the store soar. Banking stocks might be doing pretty well today because the major banks are going to increase their dividends. Citibank is going to buck the change and not announce a dividend increase, but the rest of the banks may increase it. Friday's non-farm payroll is going to be in focus, and also inflation rate. New variant of COVID in UK, and crude oil is weakening. I do think the long-term trend for crude oil is going to be increasing in price. $80, $90 a barrel soon. Checking out TradingView. It's another free tool. The NASDAQ is poised to go a little higher today, possibly. The rut last few days is going down. The Dow and the S&P. Can't read anything in it this morning. Checking out my Discord chat. I put out my trading list nearly every day, and I put check marks beside the ones that I think that are possible, and I've added a few more here to check out. We'll cover just a few of these this morning, but basically this is my trading plan. Keep my eye on these stocks, and I've set a few alerts for a few of the stocks. The first stock on the list is a ETF, XLU, and you can see it has some nice swings here, and the job of a swing trader is to be able to predict these swings. And you try to find indicators that do it. This one is the MACD, and it predicted that down. This one is the stochastic RSI, and it predicted a down right here, crossing down above the 80, below the 80. And this is the RSI, crossing down below the 70, and all three of those indicators predicted a nice thing down. Now we've got a situation where the MACD is saying it's going up, the stochastic is going up, and the RSI is saying it's going up. The zigzag, this is a zigzag. This is not an indicator because it looks to the future, so it paints these lines perfectly, only because it's getting data in the future. There's no perfect indicator. You can't use it. But right now, the zigzag does not know what it's doing. And that's when we'd like to take action, because it was going down. It knew what it was doing until right here. Now things look like it's changing. The regime is going to change, and it looks like it's pointing up. Here's the pre-market today, but it's too early for that. Sorry. But you could try to get that around $64. So I think this is a buy. Try to get on the cheap side. Try to get in and hit this area here for a move up. Consumer discretionary ETF, and the RSI is looking like it might want to come down. Keep your eye out for short soon. Dow, lots of noise here. MACD says go up. Stochastic RSI says go up, and the RSI says go up. Is that enough? Zigzag does not know what it's doing here. It looks like it wants to go. And if you believe in the 50% retracement, it could go to 102. $3. Dell looks like it wants to go. Technologies, as we've seen, that's a sector that wants to go as well. I think this is a good play. LOGI, 50% retracement. In other words, it went up, retraced back to 50%, and a lot of people believe it'll go like that. MACD is way below the zero line, about to turn. It's an imaginary dot. I put it there. Stochastic RSI looks like it's ready to turn around, and so is the RSI. Watch this morning, but if it breaks out where it's at, it was yesterday, this stock could go up. I think Logitech is a buy. Now this is Carnival Cruise Line. I hate this stock, but if you say that's a support there, it's getting down towards a support. Earnings was yesterday or today. It's selling $500 in stock, 500 million in stock. It's diluting the shares. That's why this stock is dropping. Earnings is soon. I can't find anything on earnings, but it seems like all three cruise lines are dropping. I do not think this is a mean reversal play. Be careful, but a lot of people will go ahead and buy in, hoping that it'll go back up, especially since the cruise lines are starting to open this summer and things are getting back to on track. I think I'd wait a couple days on this. Might be a buy though. United States oil, I think it's going to go to $80 a barrel. I think this is a dip. MACD says it's switched, but this thing is flipping back and forth. Okay, it's a switch. I think it's a slight dip. I think oil is still going up. And the last one I want to cover is checkpoint. Looks like there's an imaginary dot here going up. Stochastic RSI is going up, and so is the RSI. Zigzag doesn't know what it's doing. Probably going up. 50% retracement is there. Got a ways to go. I think checkpoint software is a buy. Now the ability with TradingView is to be able to set alerts. You can set timed alerts. If you're using the free version, you get one. And if you are a small investor, that's all you really need is to play one at a time. The paid version has 10. These are the 10 I have set. I'm looking at a cheapy stock, looking for the RSI that go and swing around. So I have set alert so that when this stock comes below the 30 and comes back around, I will get an alert sent to my cell phone. There it is. RSI 4 crossing up above from the below to the crossing over the 30 line, giving me a daily alert once, and then I will consider buying. It's some research that I did. This is the way I watch the stocks without watching them. Another one is Qualcomm, and I'm looking to go ahead and go short on that one at some point in time. This thing is rising, but I like Qualcomm because it has nice swings. Look, it has nice little swings, and I've missed the rise, so I'm maybe in capture drop. Beyond Meat, I'm looking to go short. Again, the RSI is below when it comes crossing around. Looking to go short, set alert. This is a mining stock, doing nothing for the last couple days, but looking to go long if I get a signal from the RSI. Magellan Main Street Partners, looking to go long at some point in time. As soon as the RSI comes back around, it's not doing that, so I'm waiting. My alerts will tell me when that happens, and I can relax. FMC, again, waiting for it to come, the RSI to come back around, and then go long. This is going short. I'm waiting for a signal, a sign, and I'm relaxing. I buy a Science 4-day, same thing, dropping like a rock. At some point in time, look at this, nice swings. It's going to stop. So I'm waiting, and I might replace a couple of these with something else, especially the short ones. This is Virgin Galactic. Now this one here was yesterday. I went long just for a short time because I thought maybe it hadn't finished its rise up, and I was right. And then I took a small profit quickly, a day trade, and then it started reverses. Now I'm not back in, but I'm still looking to go short, and so I have an RSI signal waiting, so for this to go above the 70 and come back around and below the 70. So I'm still waiting for a short. This is a short play, and so I have this RSI alert set, cross down below the 80, and this time instead of the 70 it says the 80. I want to take a little quicker trade. This is the 70. This is the Dillards. Waiting for it to come back down. I want to go short in Dillards. Catch this. Catch this. Waiting for the RSI to come back below the 70. And I have another alert here for Virgin Galactic. Anyway, so my watch list, when I have a watch list of stocks that I want to do something about, I'm watching, or I say I'm watching this stock, I set alerts so that the alert can actually watch the stock. I don't actually watch the stock because I have other things. I have a business, and I have other things I need to do. I can't stand in front of the computer watching. So I have 10 alerts. For a swing trader, that's plenty. That's all you need to be watching. And it works out quite nicely for me. Anyway, this is what I have for you today. Check out my Discord chat. It's free. It's Stock Planner. Here's my watch list of today and some extra ones. Kinross Gold has not been good to me. I'm holding a losing position in it, but it's a small position and it's a cheapy stock. If you want to get into gold, Kinross Gold might be the answer at this level. I believe there's a lot you can learn by looking at this channel and watching these videos from this guy. You need to be these guys. I wouldn't take any advice from this guy, but I would learn from him. I would learn how to do this stuff yourself. You don't have to be great at it, but once you learn it and get some confidence, you can trade for life and have a nice little side hustle and win, or you can do this full time. Please like and subscribe this video. I need your help as far as the channel. Happy trading. Catch you on the flip.